Hey there, friends. I am in the mood to shop for a new 3D printer, and the place that I always head to is GearBest. If you go to GearBest and you search 3D printers, there are a ton of amazing options. I'm going to sort by brand, and I am interested in ANET because I already own the ANET A8, and here is my groovy little A8 that is currently at $145 with $7 to ship it. Got to switch to my US plug and the price stays the same. Not a bad deal, but I think since I've already got an A8, I'm going to have to pass on that and go back to 3D printers. And this time, let's take a look at the TiVo printers. So for $300, you get the TiVo Tarantula. Once again, I'm going to remember to switch to the US plug just to see if that changes the price. And you can see it's $299 with $4 to ship. It's got a 200 by 200 millimeter bed, which is similar to what I already got. It can handle the multiple filaments. Most importantly, it's got super simple assembly, where the A8 took me quite a while, but it was worth it in the end because I saved half the price. The nice thing about clicking that link, though, was that it got me to all of the TiVo printers, including the one I'm most interested in, the TiVo Tornado. It's currently got a sweet discount of 27% off, and I will put the link to that in the video because that's a pretty decent deal. The Tornado is pretty slick. One of the neatest things about the Tornado is that the bed is heated by AC, so it heats up extremely quickly, which is nice when you're trying to get your prints done. It also comes mostly assembled and has a larger bed at 300 by 300, and it goes 400 millimeters high, which is pretty sweet. So this is pretty tempting, but let's see what else there is. Alright, here we have the Creality 3D CR10. I'm going to switch to the US plug. Stays $375. It's 23% off, so it's not quite as good a deal. The price does not change if I ship it from the US, which is nice. And if we scroll down, you can see that it also has a 300 by 300 by 400 millimeter bed. Super simple assembly. And has a sweet MK10 nozzle that can print almost any printing material on the market, which is pretty darn sweet. But once again, that bumps it up to $375 instead of the $330 range that we saw for the TiVo. Let's look at one more from Creality, the 10 Mini. This one is a little newer. It is 300 by 220 by 300 for the bed. Has the super fast assembly, so you're up and working in almost no time. And is a pretty sweet rig for less than $300. So I'm going to put a poll here in the video for you guys to vote on which one you think I should snag. If you have any comments about the 4 different printers, let me know. I will also put links in the description, and you can click on them to check out the deals yourself. Thanks for watching, and thank you for supporting HL Mod Tech.